Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need a high quality cable cutter, then I want to show you this one from Ideal. This is the 35-3052 cable cutter, and this thing is heavy duty. So this is made from a carbon steel. It's super strong. These insulated cable cutters are really strong because they are made for industrial use. So no matter what you're using these for, they are really going to be up to the task. The Smart Grip handle is impervious to gas, oil, hydraulic fluid, and it gives you a really firm control. No matter what you are doing, these are not going to slip, so it makes them safe and easy to use. It's really comfortable and ergonomic, so it makes your jobs a lot easier. So this is able to cut through 2.0 copper and 4.0 aluminum wires, and it just does a really good job. So it has that nice rubberized handles with a really solid grip. And the steel really maintains its sharpness for a really long time, so you don't have to sharpen it as often. So if you have a need for a very heavy duty set of wire cutters, definitely check these out from Ideal. They're a really great product, super well made, very durable and long lasting, and that is my point of view.